Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video you'll know how to remove PDF pages from your PDF file. So I have tried lots of apps from Play Store, but most of them are not working properly and some of them are time consuming. But I have found a new app which will do the work for you. So with this app I'll tell you how to remove PDF pages easily, which is easy and convenient. So without wasting any further ado, let's get back into the video. So this was the app I was talking about, guys. So the link of the app is given in the description, do check it out. So first of all, open the application. Now click on three dot option on top left corner. Now select the option as page remover. Now there's a plus option on bottom, so open that plus option or click on that plus option and select the PDF file from your device. Now here it will display all the pages in your PDF file. So some of these pages are not relevant for me. So if I want to remove them, just click on the X option or X mark on bottom of each of the page. So just click on that to remove each page. So if you want to check out the page number, then click on each image or each page to see the page number. Just click on the X mark and it will remove your page. Now how to save it? Just click on the correct option on top right corner. Click on that. You can rename your file. I'll say new file. Then select your file destination from here and click on save. And it will automatically get saved into your device gallery. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you do like it, please make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Let's meet you all in the next video. Till then, stay safe.